People, what's good, people? Another episode NFT Fridays. What's good? I'm a little bit bummed up, so I'm not gonna be on camera. I'm not gonna be speaking that much because my voice is very bad. It's cool though. But yeah, I want to start send it out to the WhatsApps and that.
Yeah, for sure.
Safe.
Yo, people, we live now. We're live till 9 p.m. NFT Fridays. Let's get it. Yo, people, we live now. What's good? Just doing a quick Instagram story. Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. 1 second. Down. Live till 9 p.m. on Zoom. Am I the co-host yet? Could you make me co-host, please, broski? I'll take over from here. As soon as you... Okay, amazing. Let's go live on the IG. Might as well. You might as well go live on the IG. And then we'll begin. Join Zoom now in story bio, hashtag NFT Fridays. In that comment. Okay, let's go. Yo, what's good, people? It's currently 2 minutes past 8 p.m. UK time, Friday, the 4th of August, 2023. Welcome to another episode of NFT Fridays, which is a free weekly webinar where we cover everything non-fungible tokens, Web3, metaverse, you name it. We've been running this free weekly webinar since early 2022. And was it on this webinar on Friday or Monday? I said we would find a numerical number. Unfortunately, that's not been done yet, so I apologize. However, this is approximately webinar 70. So if you'd like to join this free weekly webinar, which is, again, every... let me show my screen. Which is every single... Oh, because Alex. Every single Friday, 8 p.m. till 9 p.m. What you do is you go to instagram.com/blockchainsensei, and then you click the link in our Linktree bio. And then you click here, the Game and NFT Friday Zoom link. Same Zoom link for Mondays and Fridays. Alternatively, catch the replays at youtube.com/blockchainsensei, where you will find going on to 260 free financial literacy videos covering everything NFTs, stocks, crypto, etc. All streams of NFT Fridays are on blockchainsensei.com. We also have another webinar, which we've been running since 2020, called The Game, where we focus more on stocks, crypto, technical analysis, and also bring in founders and operators in the financial and technology Web3 spaces, etc. So before getting into this webinar, there is a very important disclaimer, which for legal purposes, hey, what's up, BitBlonde? Hope you're well. Big up, so homie BitBlonde. So, disclaimer, terms and conditions. All content is for education, information, and entertainment purposes only, and it should not be considered as investment advice or a recommendation to buy, sell, hold any assets, nor place any trades. Please do your own what, guys? Big R word, research. Our content is intended and should only be used for informational use only, and it should not be considered as Charmander, as investment advice to buy, sell, hold any assets, nor place any trades. It's very important to do your own analysis before making any investments, which should be based on your own individual circumstances. You should always take independent professional advice from a professional advisor. Neither myself, Mr. Harding, Mr. Alex Codling, or anyone currently in this Zoom are financial advisors, and we do not intend to be perceived or received as financial advisors. All investments come with another big R word, and that is risk. Please always do your own research. Nobody on the Blockchain Sensei team, since our inception, are financial advisors. And again, we do not intend to be perceived or received as financial advisors. However, we are working in collaboration with several accredited financial advisors. If you're unable to mitigate your risk, contact us immediately so we can refer you to an accredited financial advisor. So, on this episode of NFT Fridays, we will be taking a look at CoinMarketCap and NFTs Go's 2023 NFT market analysis. You can find this for free at coinmarketcap.com. Pretty sure you can Google it and get this report with ease. Now, we may look at the official report, which is obviously quite lengthy. But I think it would just be easier to, first of all, just go through the key takeaways, and then if we've got time, we'll dive into something specifically within the PDF, and we'll take any questions. So, key takeaways. NFT trading volume in the first quarter of 2023 increased sharply, but then it declined. This was due to Blur's incentives and airdrop. The number of NFT holders dropped to its lowest point in the last 12 months on the 19th of April 2023, with only 11,000 traders. Now, there's 8 billion people in the world. 11,000 is an extremely, extremely small amount of the world. In fact, I like to do maths. Should we get a percentage? Should we get a percentage on it? No, let's leave it. Let's leave it. However, I will say that if you are tuned in to this webinar, you are amongst a very, very rare breed of planet Earth, because most of the world right now, at mass, is not paying attention to NFTs. So OpenSea had, which to this day is still the most popular NFT platform by at least public awareness, OpenSea had dominated the NFT royalty market, but Blur surpassed it in mid-February 2023 and remained on par with it in March. Blur's optional royalty and zero gas fee approaches targeted price-sensitive users, making it the new leader in the royalty market share. The number of wash trades on Blur is gradually decreasing, indicating that real traders are settling down. Number 3 point, affected by the bear market at the end of 2022, the profitability of blue chip decreased significantly in Q1, but some projects still performed well. BAYC has the strongest profitability in the sellers market, and Azuki's whales have increased by 100%. So the Azuki whales have 2x, even in this 2023 bear market, which is the most resilient blue chip this year. The whales trading continues to impact profit fluctuations, while an enormous gap exists between the rich and the poor holders of projects. Point number 4, there are various methods for generating income through NFTs, including buying high-quality NFTs at a low price and holding them for the long term. Bulk minting NFTs from niche projects and selling them at a higher price, identifying profitable NFT categories for high frequency trading. Profitable NFT traders can be divided into 3 categories. Let's find those 3 categories in the actual report. Let's go to page 37. So the most profitable NFT traders and how they achieved it. Profiles of profit-making NFT users, value holders, flippers, and high-frequency traders. Okay, so we've got, so the 3 types are value holders, flippers, and high-frequency traders. Let's have a look at value holders. A successful NFT investment strategy involves purchasing high-quality assets at a low price. This just falls into great investing in general, as not financial advice, as we've covered in many other webinars, which you should check out if you haven't already. We've spotted assets which we believe, as non-financial advisors, to historically be undervalued, and subsequently, some of our community members have seen over 13x, even within the bear market. One user, for example, acquired 145 crypto punks and 171 Meebits through consistent buying, resulting in profitable returns during market upturns. Let's zoom in on some of these value holders. So this value holder here has as per description here, 145 crypto punks, or during the time 145 and 171 Meebits. Estimated value at 7.98, nearly 8,000 Ethereum and 408 Ethereum respectively. Then we've got flippers. This is another strategy to bulk mint NFTs from niche projects, so not blue chip, and sell them at a higher price. For example, the user below minted a large number of NFTs and sold them at a profit. Then we've got high frequency traders. The third profitable strategy is to identify a profitable NFT category and trade frequently. For example, the user in the chart below was able to generate profits through high frequency trading of other deed NFTs. What was that? Other deed NFTs. How many times have we talked about other deed NFTs? Well, if you type other deed blockchain sensei, you can find, in very recent times, mind you, in June and in July, we covered these. And yeah, we may or may not reveal some other deed by other side metaverse lands that we may or may not own, allegedly. We're not ready for that yet. Okay, so that was a nice little dive away from this article. Okay, so point number 5, the trading volume and number of Bitcoin ordinals. I'll admit I've not actually purchased a Bitcoin ordinal myself. If anybody here in this webinar has experience with Bitcoin ordinals, let me know. I've not sacrificed any of my sats into Bitcoin ordinals yet. So, but its trading volume only account for 0.02% of the ETH market. So that is a very, very small percentage. Due to the slow transaction speed of ordinals NFTs, naturally because of Bitcoin, high cost and limited application range, Ethereum NFT still occupies an advantage in the application range and speed. NFT-Fi lending market revived in Q1 2023 with loans amounting of about $25 million between January 2023 to March 2023. Paris-based accounted for the largest market share of lending market, while NFT-Fi led in the number of NFT lending users. Let's go on these websites, shall we? Paris-based. Just have a quick look. So again, so the NFT-Fi lending market revived in Q1 with loans amounting of about 25 million between January to March 2023. So Paris-based accounted for the largest market share of the lending platform. So let's have a look at NFTs. They've supplied 3,070 NFTs, totaling allegedly $96.99 million in, I'm assuming, current market supply. In fact, let me connect my wallet. Let me connect my wallet. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh wait, no, I'm on the wrong account. I'm not logged in yet. It's the CoinGecko and the crypto industry report. Read that recently. Let's connect to a wallet. Connect. Why is it not letting me connect? Come on. It's strange. It's a bit strange. MetaMask was right there. I'm not tripping. MetaMask was literally right there. I have no experience NFT file lending. You guys literally saw this in real time. I'm logged into this MetaMask. Yeah. Weird. Weird. Okay. Let's carry on with life. Let's carry on with life. Well, apparently this is the website that did the most volume. So let's have a look at what you could potentially get. Uh, got some apes, some crypto punks, lending. How would one go about doing this? I feel like this website's down right now because I can't do anything. I guess this just shows that the NFT market has a lot of space to grow. Look, I'm on the website, and it is not letting me. Oh, it's literally not letting me move around the website. And you guys literally saw that I connected my MetaMask, and it didn't work. So it's very strange. Okay. Let me just stop sharing my screen for a second and disconnect my MetaMask, because that will be the great thing to do, and then we'll get back on it. Okay, I'm now out of that MetaMask. Go back. Let's go back. Why didn't it work though? Okay, you guys see my screen? All right, amazing. Okay, so then we've got NFT-Fi. Let's just check NFT-Fi real quick. Let's check NFT-Fi real quick. Borrow, lend. Use NFT to get a crypto loan. I feel like this website's a way more user friendly. Okay, I don't wanna give away my assets right now on NFT Fridays. I don't wanna do that. Okay, cool. So chapter 1, market overview. Roller coaster in the NFT market. NFT trading volume in the first quarter of 2023 saw a sharp increase, as we can see here, especially in kind of Valentine's Day. Followed by a decrease. We go up and we go down. Blur's incentive and airdrop, along with the war on royalty with OpenSea, which will be covered later in the report, drove up trading volume of NFTs, which peaked at 74,000 Ethereum on February 22nd and declined gradually after March. According to NFT Gold, the number of NFT holders dropped to its lowest point. Okay, we already said that. Okay, let's look at this. Tracking the trend of NFT holders and traders. So the holders have been increasing. The traders since the 6th of May. I'm going to assume this. I'm very sure this is 6th of May 2022, and this is April 2023. Around the time this article was published. So we've gone from 2. In fact, that is huge. Between May 2022 to April 2023, the NFT holder market is 2x'd. Whereas the trader market, as of May 2022 to April 2023, has decreased. It's literally gone the other way. So we've gone from 2.2 million-ish holders May 2022 to just about 4.4 million. That's about 2x. In 1 year, May 22 to April 23. But the traders have halved from 4.4 million, which in May 2022, to 2.2 million in April 2023. Literally, it's gone the opposite way. Buyers seem to have decreased significantly, and the sellers spiked in April. They're really trying to exit, but now we also have less sellers than a year ago. So many blue chip NFT projects experience a decline in the floor price. We've spoken about this multiple times. With Bored Ape Yacht Club floor price dropping by 2/3 from its peak of 153 ETH in April 2022 to below 50 ETH. And we've seen it decline even further, if not mistaken, since April 2023 as well. Maybe not specifically Bored Apes, but other Yuga Lab products. However, what we are witnessing in the NFT market is not a decline, but the early stage of its second major cycle that is lagging behind the overall crypto market. This makes sense because the crypto market peaked, I say this time and time again, in November 2021, but the NFT market continued to rally all the way till about May 2022. So there was a 5 to 6 month lag. The crypto market bottomed out recently in November, December 2022. And following the 5 to 6 month lag, I believe the NFT market has just about bottomed out a couple months ago. Obviously, NFT market is way less, there's way less historical data, so it may not prove exactly true. The average correlation coefficient between Ethereum and the NFT market is 0.76. It shows that the NFT market is not as volatile as the traditional cryptocurrency market. Not as volatile. Interesting. In most cases, the NFT market does not react immediately to much volatility. For example, when the price of ETH fell, many blue chip NFTs witnessed relatively small declines in their dollar-denominated prices. The chart below, for example, shows that even if the market cap of ETH falls, the NFT market cap does not follow immediately and is more stable. The variance of the NFT market cap index is, I'll be honest, I'm not too familiar with what this terminology is, so I'm not just going to read randomly 1.35 E plus 09. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know what it means, but it's something that I need to do research on. So a comparison between the market caps of NFTs and Ethereum. Let's have a look. So the market cap of Ethereum, let's take it over here. This is August 2022. NFT market was here. So this is the NFT market cap. This is a similar percentage drop in these times, which is June 2022. But then when ETH market cap spikes between kind of like June 2022 to August, we don't see that spike in the NFT market. In fact, the NFT market has moving kind of sideways in terms of market cap since November 2022 to now. So guess why all the degens are not as excited as they used to be. Over the past 2 years, the NFT market and the number of NFT holders has increased by 10-fold. So that's April 2021 to April 2023. Despite this remarkable growth, the NFT market is still relatively small, or extremely small, mind you, considering there was like 12,000 traders in some month in 2023, accounting for approximately 1/10 of the total ETH market cap. Nonetheless, the continued expansion of the NFT market suggests a significant potential for future growth and adoption. From the end of 2021 to the beginning of 2022, the NFT market was dubbed as the historical NFT bull market. However, since the second half of 2022, the market has largely been in a cooling off phase. Given the community-driven nature of NFT market, the new context and trending topics will be essential to drive the next wave of growth. Ethereum dominates NFT transactions. So I'm sure we've seen something similar to this before. But yeah, Ethereum is still largely dominating, as it would seem, over about 75% of the NFT market. I'm sure we've seen stats like this somewhere else. So 2023 marketplace ranking by trading volume. Blur has exceeded OpenSea, even though OpenSea is still more popular, I would say, by public knowledge. So this chart here, NFT market volume comparison, wash trades included. OpenSea was winning the race at the start of 2022, started declining, and as of 2023, people have been going on Blur. Let's go to Blur. Let's have a look. What is happening over there? What's happening over in Blur? Interesting. Click MetaMask and it opens up Exodus. It's not what I want. What is with this UX? You guys are seeing this live. No, I don't want Exodus. I don't want Exodus. Connect wallet, click MetaMask.
Big shout.
Why?
Anyone, I've got to speak on this, even though I'm
Go on.
crazy. Anyone in this space that is building whack UI UX, just go home. Like, you're talking about building things for the masses, but it's impossible for your own mom to use. It's not for the masses then. Go back to the drawing board.
We literally prove Web3 needs so much work. I went to the biggest NFT lending website, and you guys literally saw that there was a MetaMask button, and then I logged into my MetaMask, and MetaMask disappeared. This is the website that has more volume than OpenSea, and I can't even connect my MetaMask. You guys are seeing this in real time. I'm logged into this MetaMask. Great. I click Connect Wallet, and it keeps opening Exodus Wallet, but I don't want to log into my Exodus Wallet. I'm not logged into Exodus. I am logged into my MetaMask. Boom. This is ridiculous.
Let me try it through Coinbase on the other on the other page. Hold up.
What is going on? Hey guys, we're just here to present you the facts and the data and our research, and we're not here to be overly bullish. In fact, we're trying to find a good middle ground. I'll be honest, I've never bought anything from Blur. I've only ever bought things from the OpenSea, and it's always worked. So
I'm gonna share screen now.
what is Blur working for you?
No, I'm gonna try it real time.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Let's have a look.
Blur.io, yeah.
Blur.io, yeah.
Connect wallet. Well, it's taking me to a different page, first of all. Connect wallet again. Coinbase wallet. Okay, yeah, it does it for the Coinbase wallet.
It works, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. It's kind of weird with the Exodus, though.
Yeah, it is a bit weird with the Exodus. Especially
Well,
if
you guys saw it. Go on, sorry.
Especially if he's trying to use MetaMask, which is like the most popular one. So it's a bit strange.
That was weird. That was definitely weird. So you guys have seen live on the webinar, I tried to go to the biggest NFT lending platform in the world, and it didn't work. Literally recorded. And I tried to log into the biggest NFT platform, bigger than OpenSea at present in terms of trading volume, and it also didn't work because I logged into MetaMask. I didn't log into Exodus, and it wasn't accepting my MetaMask. So
Yo, that's mad. Beeples are going for 17 ETH. That's mad. That is mad.
definitely official.
Oh,
Definitely.
doesn't look it.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, it's D Gods and Azuki that are making all the noise at the moment. Venus Sports Pass. Mm. So it's Blur, but they have the OpenSea pricing on it. So you're on a different website, but you can view it on OpenSea.
Go on, try it. I'm not too familiar.
Yeah. That's so weird. Fair enough. Don't know why you would do that, but hey.
Hey. Alrighty. Thank you for the interlude, sir. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's talk about unexpected wash trades. The phenomenon is not merely reflected on the short-lived boom in users attracted by the airdrop incentive, but over time, the number of transactions identified as wash trades on Blur is gradually decreasing, which means real traders are settling down for it. Okay, so Blur increased from average 86% in March to an average of 93% in April. The following chart illustrates a comparison between the original trading volume and the statistics of the wash
trading.
Sorry?
Did it just say 96% of Blur's trades are wash traded?
No, it didn't say that.
Percentage of real trades on Blur increased from an average of 86. Oh, so real trades is 93. Oh wow! So it's only
real trades, yeah, increased from 86 to 93 in April.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, that is good. But I just don't. I just find all of this so interesting. Because I literally showed everyone. Nah, do you know what? I want to just do this one more time because I have to iterate how crazy this is.
Refresh.
I have to iterate how crazy this is.
Refresh.
I am not. Sorry, go on.
Refresh your browser.
Right. So I'm on blur.io. This website, according to CoinMarketCap and other data sources, has more trading volume than OpenSea. Yeah, I've never used this website in my life.
I'm sure before we even go there, I swear there was a point when I said that OpenSea would get overtaken for the number one spot. I said that.
Yeah. But it's interesting that it's been overtaken by this website. Because I've never had a problem with OpenSea. OpenSea works. So I'm gonna do it please one more time. This is my Exodus wallet. I'm not logged in. This is a MetaMask wallet. I'm not logged in. I'm gonna log in right now. To be fair, I shouldn't show. I probably shouldn't show the amount of letters in my MetaMask password, even though pretty unhackable. Because you can't just hack my MetaMask by having my password. Even if I told my password live on this webinar, which I'm not going to do, obviously, I'm not stupid. You can't hack into somebody's MetaMask with their password because the password is only native to the computer. You obviously need my seed phrase or whatever. So, okay, cool. I'm logged into this MetaMask. Connect wallet. I click MetaMask and it opens up Exodus.
Yeah, it's weird.
It doesn't even give you the Exodus option. No, I don't want to go in my Exodus. I want to go in my MetaMask. This is crazy. I'd have to uninstall Exodus, which I'm not going to do because that would inconvenience me to actually get in on this website. So how is everyone else getting in? Well, maybe they don't have an Exodus wallet, but yeah, I think that's really, really weird. Anyway.
Mad.
That's just super strange. So, okay, so 2023 marketplace ranking by percentage of real trades. Blur. I do find this hard to believe, but I'm going to assume that CoinMarketCap is an NFT goes, not telling porkies. OpenSea 86%. I've never had a problem with OpenSea, that's fine. Blur overtakes OpenSea in royalty market share. I've already said that before. NFT marketplaces compete through lower fees. Since mid-February, the overall total marketplace fee amongst mainstream NFT marketplaces had dropped sharply in response to the competition for Blur's low fees. Okay, cool. Micro trends and liquidity. NFT floor price versus illiquidity analysis. In the past 6 months, almost 70% of illiquid NFT projects had a floor price of 0. Be careful, guys. In the past 3 months, 50% of illiquid NFT projects had a floor price of 0 and 0.5 ETH. This shows that the market has low demand on the lower quality collections. So this yellow represents NFTs are illiquid for 6 months.
Yeah, broskies. Apparently, it's just you.
What do you mean?
Alex's Blur worked for him. MetaMask.
No, I think Blur would work for me as well if I didn't have Exodus installed. This is obviously some kind of error where if you've got Exodus installed, Blur then moves over to Exodus rather than connecting with our MetaMask. But like I said, I'm not going to uninstall my Exodus. Because that would inconvenience me. Okay, so the floor prices of around 69% of illiquid NFTs dropped to 0. Okay, the majority of projects are within the 100 to 1,000 ETH market cap range. Majority of projects. Distribution of market capitalization and price ranges for all NFT projects.
The next fact you're about to drop is crazy.
Based on data from NFT Go, over 50% of NFT projects have a market cap of between 100 to 1,000 Ethereum. Over 50% of NFT projects. What? Following this, the next category is 0 to 100 ETH range, which has a total of 1,550 projects. In addition, 125 projects hold a market cap of 100k ETH and above.
The top 1% of NFT projects take up 50% of the total market cap. Wow. Tweet that.
Wait. Okay. I'll tweet it. Sometimes you have to question things though. I find this impossible to believe. Let me just keep it. Because guys, we're not here to just blindly accept information that's presented to us. Over 50% of NFT projects have a market cap between 100 to 1,000 ETH, which is 0.2 mil to 2.1 mil as of April 2023. Because that just sounds impossible. Over 50% of NFT projects are worth $200,000 minimum. There's got to be a mistake. I don't accept this one, guys.
What it might mean is NFTs that move, liquid NFTs, things that are selling.
Maybe.
That would
make more sense. Okay. Analyzing from project distribution, the top 50 projects account for less than 1%. Analyzing from project distribution, the top 50 projects account for less than 1% of the total number of projects in the market. Yet their market cap occupies about 50% of the total. Okay, that makes sense. This data tells us that the proportion of NFT projects and market distribution far exceeds the 80-20 rule, which can be reflected through the distributions of wealth and normal investors.
Yeah. The elites. The top 1% of people in the world.
That makes sense. Number of top 50 NFTs, remaining market cap of top 50 NFTs. All right. Top 10 projects and their respective market caps. Let's have a look.
CryptoPunks, Bored Ape, Mutant Ape, Suzuki. Yeah. Also.
And remember, CryptoPunks and Bored Apes are the same company. Everyone forgets. So that's Yuga Labs. That's Yuga Labs only 30% there.
Like a BlackRock.
25 and 5. All over again. Other deed, which is Yuga Labs again. You've got crypto bot in here. Most NFT projects inflection point is at the 1K ETH trading volume. The density distribution analysis of NFT projects volume ranges reveals that the 100 to 1K ETH range has the highest density. On the other hand, projects with a price range larger than 1K ETH exhibit lower density distribution. This implies that when a project's trading volume reaches 1K ETH, it is likely to be ahead of other projects in terms of robustness and occupy a certain market share. Therefore, trading volume can serve as a key indicator to gauge the strength of a project. So look for volume of 1K plus. Proportion to volume distribution range.
Makes sense.
Such thresholds also apply to the 10K ETH point. The chart below shows the number of projects in each trade volume range. Once the 7-day trading volume of a project reaches 10K ETH, it enters a somewhat elite club where there's only a very small number of projects at the top of the NFT market.
Well, I think what's happening there is people know that that's the fact, and then they just wash trade it until it gets to that. To get 10K volume of trading volume, it's not hard with an NFT.
Yeah, with the right bots.
You can do that between your own MetaMasks.
There are 19 NFT projects with a trading volume greater than 100K ETH in the top range, which are also the main projects that drive the NFT market activity on a daily basis. Bored Apes, CryptoPunks, 100K ETH from all time. Mutant Ape, Other Deed by Other Side. Oh, wow. Other Deed for Other Side again.
So now, via
With
volume,
more volume than Azuki.
Bored Ape is holding 1, 2, 3, 4, the top 4 positions.
You mean Yuga Labs?
Yeah, Yuga Labs. That's crazy.
It's also funny how Other Deed for Other Side has more volume than Azuki, despite the NFTs being significantly cheaper. 100x cheaper in price.
Yuga Labs doesn't even have a monopoly. Yuga Labs is the NFT market.
Pretty much. There is no NFT market. There is no NFT market without Yuga Labs.
Yeah.
We divided NFT prices into 4 ranges according to density and found that they each demonstrated the long tail effect as shown below in the following charts. From price ranges of 0.0 to 0.1, from price ranges 0.1 to 1, from price ranges of 1 to 10, from price ranges of 10 to 100. So you can see a declining trend amongst all these. This is not a 20-minute article. Nobody could read this in 20 minutes. They lied. The concentration of NFT projects at the beginning of each price range can be attributed to 2 main factors. Firstly, most projects have an initial mint price within 0 to 0.15 ETH range. We know that. I've minted lots of stuff for 0.04 and 0.006 and 8, which creates a correlation between the data and the price range. Furthermore, since many NFT projects lack physical assets, they tend to mirror the pricing from other projects, resulting in similar data among different projects. Secondly, resistance values exist in each price range. Sorry.
Is this report a PDF?
Yeah, there's a PDF version. This is the summarized version.
Oh, okay.
You can download the PDF, and then this is the long report.
Okay.
Where we are. Where were we at? I lost it. Okay, secondly, resistance values exist in each price range, such as 0.1 Ethereum, 1 Ethereum, and 10 ETH, among other round number prices. That sounds like whale activity. Just like when we trade and we take profits, they seem to like round numbers. Nothing's changed. Another market. Analysis of NFT liquidity and characteristics. NFT liquidity is the ability to buy and sell an NFT efficiently at a reasonable price. Obviously, it's not like you can set a buy order or a sell order. Somebody has to actually buy it. In the absence of liquidity, some NFTs must be discounted in order to sell quickly. NFT liquidity is closely related to how hot the market is. Right now, the market's not hot. We calculated the trends of trading volumes and traders' activities and employed them as an expression of liquidity trends. Therefore, we can conclude that the market saw its best overall liquidity in January to April 2022. Then it began to decline significantly in May and was finally bottomed out in September 2022. It wasn't until the first half of 2023 that liquidity started to recover. So we were up here in volumes of traders in May 2022, and we saw this big decline. That's a 95% drop. And then we're moving sideways, and we've seen a bit of a spike.
Bit of activity.
Activity. Liquidity comparison across different projects. Another important factor to consider is the liquidity of the NFT projects, which can vary significantly. Typically, the top-ranked NFT projects maintain a certain level of liquidity and exhibit less volatility. Yeah, the following are the top NFT projects in terms of liquidity. Most of them are fractionalized NFTs and past NFTs. Obviously, you can buy parts of a project. Comparison chart projects with a high degree of liquidity.
Bored Ape.
Oh, wow.
Oh, no, it's not even.
No.
Bobby the Bean Farmer.
I don't know what this is.
Yo,
Bobby the
screenshot
Bean
this.
Farm.
Screenshot this image or save this image.
Bean farm.
What is Bobby the Bean Farmer?
Your artifact are killing it in terms of liquidity. Bean farm, you know.
Bobby the Bean Farmer. Bobby the Bean Farmer collection. Oh, brought to you by Azuki. Okay. Wait, where's the NFTs though? Bobby the Bean Farm. Where's
Top
like
items.
the collection? I don't understand. I don't understand. What do you mean? Comparison chart project with a high.
That must mean there's tons of them getting traded all the time.
How come I can't find them? They're so easy. Where are they?
Click on one.
Like, why is it not like a? Is this it? Oh, is this the Bobu token?
Yeah, maybe that's what it is.
Okay. Well, it's cheap, so that might be the reason.
Makes sense.
All right, so chapter 3, major projects and events, trend analysis, energy projects, all blue chip NFTs reshuffling. Since the beginning of 2022 until April 2023, major blue chip projects have maintained some profitability for almost a year and a half. Unfortunately, by the end of 2022, each project suffered the impact of the NFT bear market and thus saw declines in monthly profitability. Among all blue chip NFTs, Bored Apes had the strongest profitability in the seller's market, Yuga Labs. On the other hand, Azuki experienced a loss of about 60k ETH a month. Not pretty. In early 2022, there has been hovering around break-even point for a year. It wasn't until early 2023 that Flipper started to take a monthly profit of about 5k. Azuki, big decline here. It kind of moves sideways. And then Bored Ape Yacht Club. Makes sense. In the first quarter of 2023, most flippers of NFT projects have been profitable, with February being the peak month. However, there are a few exceptions. Azuki has been maintaining a low and stable revenue status. Meanwhile, Moonbird profitability plummeted just after its release last year and even started losing money at the beginning of this year. In March, both BAYC and Moonbird's profitability experienced a significant decline of 30 to 50%. Damn.
Mad.
Blue chip changes in 2023. These floor prices. Bored Apes down from 72 to 52 ETH.
Mad.
CryptoPunks down from 103 to 50 dance. Big decline. Moonbirds down from 7.2 to 2.54. Doodles down from 6.4 to 2.3. So if anything, Bored Apes have seen the smallest fall. Obviously, Azuki have that floor price actually gone up.
And something, mark my words, this is one of them ones again, I'm going to say it. Something's going to happen with Doodles.
It's the hardest said it.
You don't just get Pharrell becoming your creative director and then also being the creative director of Louis Vuitton. Just saying.
So whales have increased their positions in Bored Apes, CryptoPunks, but significantly Azuki by 2x.
Wait, go back to that one. Just reading.
What's the comment saying? What is shocking is that Azuki whales grew by 100%. Yeah. These data all point towards that blue chip NFTs in the market have undergone a significant turnover from January to April 2023, which can be seen from the market rally in 2023. The distribution of blue chip holders are now more concentrated than before, and the proportion of whale holders is also growing. The rich get richer and the poor get poorer. The blue chip prices generally fell by 50%, where Azuki bucks the trend. New NFTs lack substantial demand. The following table shows NFTs with excellent performances from January to April 2023, which HV, MTL, Other Deed expanded on other side vessels or all NFTs of Yuga Lab derivative series. Their prices are becoming stable and less volatile. Besides, DGOD is more stable at present since it's moved to Ethereum. Price. Interesting.
Oh, that means the code was before. Go back to that. I think there was some source in that data. Other Deed expanded over its side vessels. Blue chip potential, other side vessels, 40%. Mad.
Sorry, someone's trying to call me here. Sorry, 1 second.
Let me break down this source for the audience. Okay, so I'm eating pizza and I'm ill, so bear with me. Right now, we've seen Yuga Labs dominate the space. We've seen most things that Yuga Labs do, you get a drop of something else from holding it. Right now, we've seen Bored Apes have a game coming out. Right now, we can see that the other side vessels are what price? 0.28 ETH and have a 40% chance of becoming a blue chip NFT. Do your own research into what the other side vessels are. Should we be transparent and tell them?
Go on, give them the source. Let's wrap up here.
We do have an other side vessel here at Blockchain Sensei, and another very, very helpful company has helped us to do that. But those that know. Those that don't. Watch this space.
Let's take any discussions or questions before we wrap up. It's been a lot of data in this one. Been a lot of data and an interesting experience as well. I feel like the best part of this NFT Fridays was me live failing to at least easily connect. For the record, I'm 100% sure that I could connect to these websites, obviously, but you guys literally saw that I struggled to get inside.
What's that cup? The taste of dairy milk, yeah?
Sorry?
Your cup. What's the cup? Was it a Cadbury's cup?
Yeah, it's a Cadbury Cup.
Wait.
Oh yeah, I got this from the place near Birmingham. What's it
Cadbury's
called
World.
again? Yeah, I must have. I was a kid as well. It's a teenager.
Yeah.
It's like,
Come on, Brooktown.
this is a good 13 years old now.
Yeah,
What have you got one? Oh, you must know someone who's got one.
come on, bro. I'm from Brum. Of course, I've got one.
Yeah.
It's like a pilgrimage in Brum.
Yeah.
You have to go Cadbury's World. Matters. Right. Great episode. Thank you very much, guys. The company
Possibly.
It will be one day.
Will be one day. Will be one day. All right, Mr. Alex Codlin, have you got anything to say before you before we wrap up? And/or Crypto Boss? Any little alpha you want to share? Any questions?
Not really so much alpha, but purely that those stats are a madness.
Yep. And that's what we do here at Blockchain Sensei. Bring you the data no one else can be bothered to read.
Crypto Boss, any words from you?
No words, no words. I came in late, so I gotta rewatch.
All right, everything blessed, man.
The summary is Yuga Labs things are owned by the top 0.1%. And they make up 50% of the market cap. Very similar to BlackRock and Vanguard. So it would suggest that owning something Yuga Labs related puts you in the top 1%. Well,
or 0.1.
Yeah. So yeah, let's wrap it there. Thank you very much, guys. See you later. Bizzle.
Take care.